Fun fact, in 2016, jebbush.com was not registered under the Jeb Bush campaign. And guess who then proceeded to have jebbush.com forward to their website? Today, we're going to talk about how to grow your business without a website. This seems crazy to me, especially since, the Facebook, Instagram outage. But I know there are a lot of people out there that also tell me that they can't afford a website yet. They don't know what to do. This goes even for before you build your website. These are the tips I would recommend first. Number one, make sure you know who you're going to sell to, because before we even get into naming, you want to make sure that the business name is approachable for the people that you want as your customers. Next, number two, make sure to sign up for your social media accounts under your business name, that you don't want anybody to steal your name after you've already, put the name out there. So before you start mentioning like the actual name of your business, make sure you have the social media accounts there. This also includes your business domain name. So this is the .com, .co, .info, .io, whatever you want to use. Make sure that you have that name ready. I would suggest to go to namecheap.com. This way, GoDaddy's had some issues where they look for a name, they will all of a sudden have it not available after a couple weeks because they bought it hoping that you're going to come back and buy it. Namecheap hasn't had those issues for me, so I would recommend go to namecheap.com, and that way you can search the different domain names, business names, make sure that those kinds of things are available. Now, fun fact, in 2016, jebbush.com was not registered under the Jeb Bush campaign. Guess who bought that? And guess who then proceeded to have jebbush.com forward to their website? That's correct, Trump. So that is why you want to make sure that your competitors can't buy your domain names or have your social names available to them, because then they can either forward your business onto them or maliciously attack, and you don't want that. Number three, make sure once you have those social media accounts that you're posting consistently, offering value, connecting with the people that you want as your eventual customers. If you don't have any ideas for posts, make sure to educate, entertain, and inspire. So educate, talk about your business, say what you do, fun facts, things like that. Entertain, what are some fun things that happen around the office, behind the scenes, at your kid's soccer event, etc. If there's something cool about you, you surf, skateboard, I do roller derby, post about that and make it entertaining so you don't seem just like some random person. Number three, inspire, either post inspirational memes, videos that you like to connect with people, and make sure everything's cool. But yeah, so make sure to mix it up. Always be connecting, just get on video, like me right now. Obviously this is kind of scary, but the more that you do the video thing and get in front of the camera, the easier it's going to be. Make sure you remember, my name is Jess. I'm with Lead Nerds. We help e-commerce businesses grow their business online. So if you need any help, my goal is to help you. So leave your questions, comments in the comments below, and I would be more than happy to help you out. I hope you have an awesome day and, stay happy.